Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone recent call history not showing problem. All right, so let's begin with the video. If your recent calls suddenly disappear or fail to load properly, there are several solutions you can try to fix the problem. The first thing you should do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches and refresh the phone system. After restarting, check if your recent call history is showing again. If the issue is still there, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. From there, select Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. If an update is available, install it and wait for the device to restart. Next, go back into Settings and open iPhone storage. Make sure your device storage is not completely full. If needed, delete unnecessary apps, files, or data to free up some space, because low storage can sometimes affect system functions like call history. After that, return to the general settings and open date and time. Make sure your date and time settings are correct, preferably by enabling Set Automatically. If the problem still hasn't been fixed, go back to General and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This will reset your system settings without deleting your personal files or apps. Another thing you should check is screen time restrictions. Open Settings, go to Screen Time, scroll down, and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn this feature off temporarily and check if your recent call history starts appearing again. After trying these steps, your recent call history should hopefully return and work normally again on your iPhone. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone recent call history not showing problem. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.